Receptacles. I can't test every wall receptacle. I can't even see every wall receptacle, and I'm not going to move furniture. But the ones that I do see, I'm going to use my little tester here. This tester you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot, and it tells me that this is properly wired. This labeling here tells me if it wasn't properly wired, why it's wrong. But this is a good receptacle wired properly. And I'm gonna go around the room, any receptacle that I see, and try to test for my client. So this one here. If this was dead, then that would be an indication of a problem, or the receptacle is simply turned off maybe with a switch. So I'd find the wall switch and turn that off and on. But this one is wired properly. So that's good. I open and close a representative number of windows. Not all the windows. I can't get to all the windows. That's not what a home inspection is all about. I'm just trying to find the problems I can find for my client within the time frame that I have. I'm not going to spend all day doing windows. But the ones that I do open and close, I'm going to look for mechanical damage, hardware problems, cracks, and again, that water. I don't want water coming in through the window. I don't want any cracked glass. I don't want any fogged window panes. That's condensation that's built up between the two panes. This looks really good. Open, close, lock, unlock.